Hey guys, what's up? So in this video, I'll talk about the new artificial intelligence features that we can find now in Enscape. So I'm using, once again, the Villa Savoye model. I'll start Enscape. And I'll try to find an interesting camera position so that we can see how the artificial intelligence can enhance especially people and also the vegetation. I'll open my visual settings and I'll change the field of view. I will also add some depth of field. Okay, I guess this is quite okay. And to explore artificial intelligence using the Enscape 4.2 version actually became very easy. We have now a special icon here called AI Enhancer. So basically what we need to do is click here. And first of all, it will basically start a regular rendering. And then just after it ends, this Chaos Cloud window will pop up, allowing us to upload this image to the Chaos Cloud so that it can get enhanced by using artificial intelligence calculation. So we can save this image in an existing folder, or we can basically create a new project. I'll click here to add a new project and I'll call it Villa Savoye AI. Okay, create project. And then I'll click here, upload and enhance. Okay, so now we can click here, view in the cloud. And here we are now exploring the Chaos Cloud platform where the image is being enhanced by the artificial intelligence calculation. So this can take a while, so we need to wait a little bit. Okay, so now we have here the final image and we can already notice that this guy here looks much more realistic than before. Also, you can see that the grass is a little bit more interesting. And if you would like to compare the difference, we can go up here and click and we can change. So this was the previous image without any kind of AI, and this one was the image that was improved with AI. We can also click here and choose compare versions, and here now we can see both images and we can use this slide bar here to see the difference. And you can see that the image in the right is much more interesting with much more details, and we can notice this not only in this man but also in the grass. It looks much more realistic with variations that we don't have on the left side. Also, the vegetation is a little bit better, but because of the depth of field, we don't actually see a big difference. We can also compare here the versions using the side-by-side option. So in the left, we have the previous version, and in the right, we have the image with AI. And we can go back now to the Chaos Cloud, clicking here in the name of the project, and here we can see where our image was saved, and we can access this image anytime we enter the Chaos Cloud. If we would like to download this image, we can click here and then we can choose the option to download the file version. There are two formats that we can use, the PNG and the EXR, and both formats are actually good for exploring these images then in Photoshop or any other software. So if I click here and then we click in download, we'll have this image in our computer and we can open it if we would like. So here is the final version. And whenever we want to go back and compare the different versions, we can basically click here once again, and we can once again compare the two images that we were working with and see how artificial intelligence really helped us to get a much more interesting result.